What up, girl? Sick of your ass leaving me undelivered. It's beneficial.
Alright guys, so first things first, this is the hair that I'm using, and it's just this Bobby Boss water wave hair, and this is actually left over from the first time I did passion twists. I had 2 packs left, so I started out using that, and this is how the curls look. And yeah, so then I also went and got some more hair because I knew 2 packs would not be enough. So I also used 2 packs of this free tress bohemian curl hair, and this is what the texture looks like. So I'm going to show you guys here the 2 different brands side by side. The curl is pretty much like identical. You can see the colors off a bit, but that doesn't bother me. And then here is the difference in length. Alright, so to get started, I already pre-sectioned my hair in these last 3 sections, and I did not use a part. I just used my finger for this style, but you can do as you prefer. So obviously I'm going to take my favorite Shine and Jam, and I'm going to go ahead and define my roots, and then I'm just going to start to braid a regular braid, not a cornrow or French braid, just a regular plait. And I'm just going to braid it down a few times so that I have a good foundation for my passion twist. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to take 2 pieces of the crochet hair, and I'm going to just separate the ends with my fingers like this, and that's just going to make it look nice and fluffy. So I'm going to do that to all 4 ends. Then I'm going to pull the hair just so that it's uneven, and that'll make the twist longer. And so after I'm done with that, I'm going to take my crochet hook and stick it under my hair, pull it through, open the loop, and then pull my hair and the crochet hair through the loop. And so I'm going to pull my hair to the side now and just tighten up that crochet. And then I separate the crochet hair in 2, separate my hair in 2, and then I'm just going to twist like normal. So it's really that simple, you guys. I did these before and I tried to twist at the root, and while I got it done, it was a bit of a struggle, and honestly it didn't last that long. They kind of slipped out, or were slipping out throughout the week. And so I decided to try this crochet method that I just thought of. Like, I saw people doing rubber bands, but I didn't want rubber bands, so I'm like, maybe I could do a braid. And let me tell you, these things are super secure in my head. They're not going anywhere. So here I am, just repeating the process again. As you can see, it's super simple. If you give it a try, definitely be sure to let me know down below how it comes out. And yeah, so I'm just going to continue doing these last 2 sections, and I'm going to stop talking so you guys can just watch in peace.
Hey, look. What up, girl? Sick of your ass leaving me undelivered. It's beneficial that I'm beneficial for you, babe, but you acting like you don't remember. Whole time you was missing me. Whole time I was thinking of you. Got me venting to my niggas, sipping on the book, trying to see what I'm finna do without your love. Cause I don't need nobody, babe. Want your mind and body, babe. Meet me in this lobby, baby. Hey, she say I don't want nobody either, but for me you gotta treat me like somebody's baby. I need your love and I need some affection. You gon' have to make some time on your schedule. Ain't asking for much, I just need some attention, and I ain't gotta have it 24/7. You know me well enough.
They say I'm a smoke. This is in my chum. This a rocket full